We want to find dignity in democracy, and that is the question that we all need to fight.
इंडियाज़ इंटरनेशनल मूवमेंट टू यूनाइटेड नेशंस के इस प्रोग्राम में अगरचे हम कई मुमताज़ जो शख्सियत यहाँ पे आए मेहमान उनसे बात कर रहे हैं, इसके अलावा जो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीम है हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं इनसे भी बात करने की, क्योंकि इस प्रोग्राम को सक्सेसफुल बनाने में इनका एक खास कंट्रीब्यूशन है। पहले अपना नाम बता दीजिए और इस प्रोग्राम के हवाले से इब्तिदा में हमें बता दीजिए थोड़ा।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम, मेरा नाम इकराम खान है। आई एम फ्रॉम अनंतनाग कश्मीर and I have been working with this organization for about a year now, and what our organization does, that's India's International Movement to United Nations. हम conferences करते हैं, debating competitions, literature festivals, social impact campaigns, जहाँ पे हम social impact में हम लोगों की मदद करते हैं। literature festivals में हम लोगों को aware करते हैं about literature. Conferences में we get people from all over India that come and debate about important issues. But today जो हमारा agenda था, it was the role model series. Exactly. Where we get very well-renowned people from our valley who have achieved great heights in their life, who have a great success story, who can motivate the upcoming generation of youth. So they come here and they interact with all the students from all over Kashmir. So that's what today's program was about.
If we honestly talk about the reaction of students, I think Kashmir ke students who have, there is a lot of talent present, there's a lot of potential present. I think they only need a push. We see students here so excited to talk to these people. Usually what we see aajkal kya bana hua, there's a trend that students or even youth usually follow real models or actually get inspired by the following figures on someone's Instagram page or something. But what our organization is trying to do is that we're trying to bring a change where instead of real models, we're shifting the focus towards real role models, wherein students can actually learn from these people face to face, something जो usually नहीं मिलता है कहीं पर भी करने को. And we sit these students down with these dignitaries and they get to have real conversations with them. And I think the response that we've seen is amazing.
As Kasaba already said, that the children of this generation want to look up to the right people. Like in the modern world, there are a lot of people who can have I would say, a very negative impact on your growing up. Like you will see a lot of different people on the internet, but when you come to an event like this, where you meet the ex-chief minister, where you meet an IAS officer or multiple IPS officers, it gives you it like shows you a path that you might have to follow to become as great as them. But it's not about becoming as great as them, it's about it's like being higher than them. You have to work harder, you have to go a longer way.
We made sure कि हम हर एक section of society से representation लाए बच्चों की, so that most people do get the exposure, because let's be honest, most students don't get the exposure usually. It's not fed to them on a silver platter. So what our organization is doing is that it is making sure that people who are underprivileged or underrepresented, they also get a chance to attend such kind of events or get such exposure, so that they can move forward in life and not feel behind or think that they are not doing as good as people with higher privileges might be doing. So I think that is one of our major focuses. Like Ikram already mentioned, we go to NGOs, we talk to underprivileged students, actually show them what social impact is like, what the world is all about, something that they might not be aware of. So I think making the difference, it's the most noble thing anyone can do.
Okay.
वहाँ पर इलेक्शन होते थे, ये जनरल सेक्रेटरी होगा या स्पोर्ट्स सेक्रेटरी होगा, then आपकी कॉलेज में होता है, यानी मैं नहीं जानता, मगर मैं एक दोस्त के पास गया, हम लोग सब गए सपोर्ट लेंगे जनरल सेक्रेटरी।
My mother always said that जो वक्त होता है ना, वक्त सबसे बड़ा समय है. टाइम इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्रूशियल. इस फेज में हमें लगता है कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, ये कर लिया तो क्या हो गया, 2 घंटे टीवी देख लिया, इंटरनेट देख लिया, क्या हो गया. बट होता है. Basically, it follows the law of accumulation. Whatever you do, it accumulates. If you do good, it will accumulate. 1%, 5%, 10%. If you do bad, anything, if you waste time, that will also accumulate.
Service is something which is very, very important into a doctor's arena, and that is the primary focus. We found that this is something which has never been described in the field of medicine, and that's how we came secondarily into a discovery of this epidemic known in non-B, which came out to be hepatitis C.
जब आप 20 साल के बाद यूनिवर्सिटी से निकलोगे, all your jobs are already taken, all your admissions are already gone. So there is nothing. The government has nothing to give to you. The community has nothing to give you, because you are not deciding the future of this place. Unfortunately, अगर हमारे democratic institutions बहुत strong होते पूरे मुल्क में या सब कॉन्टिनेंट में और कश्मीर में भी, शायद हमारे नौजवान भाई न कब्र में होता, न वो जेल में होता, न वो ड्रग्स में होता, न वो डिप्रेशन में होता, क्योंकि उसे जमहूरियत नहीं मिली तो उसके बाद ऑप्शंस इवॉल्व किए. So that's why I think the best of our young people are still, we are not providing them the agency they need. But this is most important challenge that India today faces in Kashmir, and Kashmir also faces within India, is that can there be dignity in democracy, and can there be democracy in this place? Can the sense of siege be lifted from Jammu and Kashmir? And that's when the whole space of, ये जो unfreedom यहाँ पे है, वो खत्म हो जाएगा.
Actually, the best part about our organization is that it is by the youth and for the youth. जो भी आपने इतने सारे guests देखे, the conference arrangement, everything from the start to finish was done by students like us. So students who are in high school or students who are in college. And if we could do it, I think anyone else can. And I think students should take these opportunities and join organizations like this. Maybe join us even and help towards making a better change. And I think they have a huge potential. We often overlook the potential of the youth.
तो IIMUN एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, एक यूथ रन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जिसमें हम यंग पीपल वी ऑर्गेनाइज इवेंट्स टू 20 सिटीज़ और 35 कंट्रीज़ में. तो हमारा आज रोल मॉडल सीरीज़ हो रहा है. जैसे कि आप देखिए आजकल के जो बच्चे हैं, स्कूल गोइंग किड्स, वो इंस्टाग्राम रील्स देखते हैं, फेसबुक वीडियोस देखते हैं और वहाँ अपने रोल मॉडल्स बनाते हैं, और एक्चुअलिटी में वो एक्चुअल रोल मॉडल्स नहीं होते, तो वो गलत चीज़ें फॉलो करते हैं. हम वही डेफिनेशन चेंज करना चाहते हैं उनको एक्चुअल रोल मॉडल से मिलाने के लिए. तो जैसे कि आज फारूक अब्दुल्ला साहब आ रहे हैं, जैसे कि सहरिश असगर मैम आई है, MS खुरू सर आए, तो वो आज यहाँ पे आए, वो बच्चों के साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, उनको अपने करियर के बारे में एक्सपीरियंस से उनको बता रहे हैं कि लर्निंग्स क्या, और उनको हम एक्चुअल रोल मॉडल से मिला रहे हैं.
Everybody has a starting point, so I believe every student, they should get along with something like this. Let's say inshallah in the September we're doing the Ayman Kashmir conference. That can be a starting point for them. I wish everybody all the best, and may everybody have a great life. Thank
शुक्रिया
you.
आवाज के साथ बात करें. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much.